Hello students, how are you? Today let's start the chapter number 18 and the chapter name is int drift. What do you mean by int drift? When any number missing on the digits, we can find the sum operations just like addition, subtraction, multiply, division also. Yes and no? It means is a pattern of the mental mathematics. आपका मैथमेटिक्स का जो मेंटल पार्ट है जो आपको विदाउट रिटर्न आपको राइट कर विदाउट राइट आपको आंसर्स के रिप्लाई करने हो वो आपके इन ड्रिफ्ट में आते हैं विच चैप्टर इन ड्रिफ्ट ओके सो मैथ हमने इन ड्रिफ्ट का यूज हम कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं सुडोकोड पजल आल्सो यस एंड नो माइंड गेम्स एंड train our minds to think logically, notice pattern and find hidden answers step by step. When we get the next step by step to find the number also with some operations and last number is the answer also. जो हमारा लास्ट नंबर होता है हम कुछ ऑपरेशंस को फाइंड आउट करके एक लास्ट में डिजिट निकालते हैं इज द आंसर आल्सो यस एंड नो सो ये सब हमारी क्या है मेंटल मैथमेटिक्स है इसका हम यूजेस कहाँ करते हैं सुडोको पजल्स मैथ्स गेम जो होते हैं मेंटल गेम्स जो होते हैं इनमें हम उनका यूज करते हैं ओके So let me start the practice exercise. So the first question is identify the hidden digits in the questions given below. Okay. So the first question is 8154 minus 4006 dash 9 equal to dash 505. Okay. Four minus 9. Can we subtract 4 minus 9? So using the speak all of you using the borrow. So 14 and this side 4. Yes, Jay. 14 minus 9. 5. Okay. Which number right on this side? Then we get the answer is 0. Which number? Which number? So write the number is. Write the number is 4. Okay. Can we subtract 1 minus 6? So using the borrow. So we write on this side 11 and this side 7. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 and 7 minus 4 Pragya. 3. Then the answer is 3. That is the answer 3505. And the next question is the division. 486 divided by 4. So 4 ones are and write the same number on this side 8. 4 twos are so then we write on this side 2 times okay and the last is 6. 6 minus 4. 4 ones are 4. Then the remainder is 2 already okay. Then the next is multiplication. 7859 multiplied by 35. Okay. So can we multiply 5 and 3? First of all, multiply by 5 and 3. 5. So 5 nines are 45. So write 5 and 4 is carry. 5 fives are 25 plus 4. 29. So 9 and 2 carry. 5 eights are 40 plus 2. 42. 5 sevens are 35 plus 4, 39. And using the cross for the next step? Yes and no? And we can multiply by 3. 3 nines are 7 and 2 carry. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2. 17. 7 and 1 carry. 3 eights are 24 and 1. 25, 5 and then 2 carry. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2. Then the right on this side 3. And after that we get addition of this 2 lines. 5 plus cross 5. 9 plus 7. 2 plus 7 plus 1. Then 0 and 1 carry. 9 plus 5 plus 1. 15. So write 5 and 1 carry. 3 plus 3. 6. 6 plus 1. Then the answer is 20. 27506 5. Yes, and the next question number is D. 7354 plus 6 dash 49 equal to, find the missing number also. So 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry, 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10. तो 0 and 1 carry also. 3 plus 1, 4. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है हमारा 9. So which number add on the 2 4? So we get the number is 9. 5. Then the answer is 5 also. And 7 plus 6, 30. So then the answer is 13903 also. Okay? You understand? Then the question number 2. Solve the puzzles given the below and write the correct number in the place of question mark. So let us start. 25 minus 10. 15. 15 plus 21. 36. 36 divided by 6. 6. 6 8 or 48. Then the answer is, write the question mark, answer is 48. Right now. Right now. Then the next question number 3. Balance the equation by removing one mistake and placing it at same other place. Okay. 8 minus 9 equal to 11. So what are you doing? Yes, Kartik. Which sticks remove on this side? कौन सी stick remove होगी आज? 9 की. This one? And right on this side. So 8 plus 3 equal to 8 plus 3 equal to, okay. Then the next is 8 plus 5 equal to 18. So which sticks remove on this side? Which stick? This one? This one? This stick remove on right on this side 9. So 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Then the next is 1 plus 8 equal to 7. 1 plus 8 equal to 7. This one? 7 plus 0 equal to 7. Okay. Next is 9 minus 9 equal to 6. So 3 minus 9 equal to 6. So we can write on this, remove 6 and draw this side. So 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Okay, the next question is, fill the correct digit in boxes. Okay. Devyan, stand up. Which number on this side? 4? Yes, so write 4. Set. Arav, which number on the missing number in the boxes? 4. 4. Yes, Pahal? 10. So write 0 and 1. Carry. Okay. And take your seat, Pita. Alkendra. Which number missing on this side? 4. Then the number is 4. Okay. Right now. Then the next is 9 dash 5 6 plus dash equal 8 dash 8 dash 7 equal to 109 dash. Yes, Nitish. Which number on this boxes? 13. So 3 and 1 carry. And the next number, Siddharth, is 2? No. 3. Then the number is 3. And the which number missing on this side, Devanshu? 2. So 2 plus 8 is 10. Yes and no? Okay. 9 plus 1, 10. First of all, correction in this question has to write the question is 11. And which number is missing on this side? 1. So write the answer is 1. Okay. And the next is 2140 multiply by 52. So first of all multiply by 2 या 5. 2. So 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 2 fours are 2 fours are 2 ones are and the 2 twos are 4 is already given. And the next step for the multiplication using the cross. For the next step using the cross. And multiply by 5. 5 zeros are 5 fours are. So write the 2 on the side. 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. And the next box value is 7. Okay. And the 5 twos are. And after that we can addition. 0 plus cross. 8 plus 0. 2 plus 0. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. 11. So write 1 and 1 carry. And appear. 1 plus 0. Oh, what I say? 1 plus 0. 1. 1 plus 0 equal to. And the next number same right on this side. Then we get the answer is 1,1,1,2,8,0. Then the next question is D. 144 divided by 12. So first number is 14. 12 ones are 12 twos are 24 is greater than value. So we can write it 12 ones are. Then the remainder is 4 minus 2 and 0. Okay. 12 ones are 12 twos are have the same number so 2 times and the remainder is 0 also. Okay. Then the next is solve the puzzle. Solve the puzzle. Then which number right on this side we get the answer is 23. Is a subtraction also? Yes and no? For the biggest number we can add or subtract? No. For the upper number first of all add the two numbers also. Yes and no? So 38 plus 23. 8 plus 3. 11. 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then the answer is 61. For the upper values of the subtraction, we can find this number. Then this absolute numbers को हम क्या करते हैं? Addition. Do you know? Okay. And the 61 plus 15. 70. And this one 38 plus dash equal to 42. Which number add on this side? 4. Then we get the answer is 42 also. Yes and no? This number is 23 equal to 34. Is it more than or less than values? More than? So we can use addition and subtraction. Addition. And which number add on this side? 11. Then the answer is 11. Right now. Right now class. Are done? Then the next question is. And the next question is. For the same as puzzle? Yes and no? Okay. For same as we can find this number. Plus 2 equal to 4. So which number on this side? No. 2. Because 2 plus 2 equal to? It's a division? Okay. So 8. Write the number is? 8. 8 plus dash 8 plus dash equal to 36. So which number right on this side? 20. Right now. And which number on this side? 4 dash equal to 33. Plus because of the greatest value. So plus 29. And which number right on this side? 1. and 2 plus 1 equal to 3, right now? Okay? Then the next puzzle, and the next puzzle is 20 plus 49 equal to, yes Pragya, 20 plus 49, 0 plus 9, 9, and 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, then the number is 69. 20 plus 21, yes Kartik, 20 plus 21, this side, 41, very good, sit down. And which number right on this side, 49 minus dash equal to 31, yes Divanshu, 18, so write the number is, and 21 minus 18 is equal to 3 also, 69 plus 3, 72, 70, do you understand this question? Okay, then the next question is 49 minus 5. Which number? Yes, dear? 44. Friends, 49 minus 24 equal. Yes, look at 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 and the 4 minus 2. Then the answer is, take your seat, Soumya. 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12. 5 minus 2 and 2 minus 1. Then the answer is 13. Okay? Had done? The next question number 6. Fill in the boxes. Okay? So let me start. Yes, the next question is fill in the boxes. So which number missing on this side? 40 multiplied dash equal to 923. 920, yes? Yes, we can multiply by 23. Yes and no? Okay. And the 920 multiplied by 12. Yes? No? Yes? 11,000? 11040. 11,000? 11,000? Okay, right now. And the next question number 7. Write the missing number on the tail of the snake. Okay. So 5 minus 4. 1. 5 minus 4. 1. 1 plus 8. 9 minus 9. 0 plus 6. 6 minus 3. 3 plus 5. 8 minus 1. 7 minus 7. 0 plus 2. 15 plus 2. 17 minus 3. 14 plus 2. 16 minus 6. 10. 10 minus 5. Then the answer is? Right on this side, 5. Right now. Okay? Do you understand? And the next question number 8. Write the answer, Alkendra. Answers. Write the answers, Alkendra. Right now. And the next question number 8. Fill in the boxes using correct operation as plus, minus, multiply and divide also. Okay. So first is 458 plus 0 equal to 400. Then 385 dash 7 equal to 55. So look at that. Which number? 385. And this side? 7. अब हमें पता है कि माइनस तो होता है क्योंकि द मोस्ट रिड्यूसिंग वैल्यू, बहुत ज्यादा रिड्यूस हुई है ना वैल्यूज, तो हम किसका यूज करते हैं? डिवाइड. जब हमारी वैल्यू मैक्सिमम रिड्यूस हो जाती है तो वी कैन यूज द ऑपरेशन ऑफ डिविजन आल्सो. ओके, बिकॉज 35 से 55 वेरी डायरेक्ट, तो माइनस तो पॉसिबल है ही नहीं. यस एंड नो? पॉसिबल. So using the division also. Okay, so 385 divided by 55 divided by 7 equal to 55. 8923 dash 562 equal to 8361. We can use the which operation? Minus. Minus में reduction तो ये पर बहुत less values होगी. Okay. Then the next is 652 dash 45 equal to 22340 is the maximum value of the highest value is increasing, so we can use multiplication. Okay. Then the next is don't talk class. Question number 9. Fill in the boxes with correct number. So let me start. 213 dash. Don't play Alkendra. Look at the front. 213 dash 2312. So look at the board. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So we can write on this side. 3 fours are 12. Yes and no? 12 threes are. So 2 threes are 6 multiplied 36. 216. 200 is the multiplication part. Yes and no? Which pattern follow? Multiplication part follow किया. Okay. Then the next is 2, 3, 4, 5 and dash 12 dash. So first of all, 3 fours are. So we can write on this 2 threes are. 4 fives are. 12 six are. And 12 twos are. 20s are. 200 and 72 multiplied 240. 17,280. So write 17,280 right now. And the next is question is class please look at the board. Five, 3, 2. And this the first number is missing? Yes and no? And the next step is 3 plus 2 is the addition? Yes and no? Which operation followed? Addition. Which operation? So we can write 12, 5. So which number missing on this side? 7. So 7 plus 5 equal to 12. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Then the 5 plus 3 equal to 12 plus 8 equal to 8 plus 5 equal to 13. And Avi, 20 plus 13. 20 plus 13. 33. Right now? Yes class, write the answers. And the next question number 10 is the last question of this chapter, okay? Understand the pattern given in the figures A and fill correct number in the place of question mark in figure B. Okay, let me start. Look at the board class. Look at the board. Yes, इस द सर्कल में आपको जो नंबर गिवन है उसमें कुछ आपको ट्रिक्स दी हुई है. which number right on this side have to follow some operations, have to follow some symbols also. Okay, just like 3 4s are, 2 6 are is the multiplication part. So हमें बीच में मिडिल में कौन सा नंबर फिल करना है? multiplication numbers. Okay, so 12 twos are and 6 fours are the same also. Okay, and the last question of this chapter, 8530. And which symbol, which operations used for this question? Subtraction or addition? 8 minus 5 equal to 3. 3 minus 0 equal to. So, kids, give the answer for this figure B. Okay, in the comment box. Yes, give the answer for the this question in the comment box. Okay, it's too necessary. And class, this chapter is completed. And do you understand this question? Okay, have a nice day.